Alright, in this video we are going to cover how you can configure shipping methods for your checkout. So as you can see here, I am on the Commerce demo site and will be signing in as a customer and basically placing an order on the checkout so we can see where we're going to configure our shipping methods. So if I go ahead and sign in here as a customer, and let's add an item to my cart. So I'll just choose this item here and I'll click add to cart. And then if we go to the cart and go through the checkout, you can see where we have our items here. If I move to my billing address and shipping address, I'll just fill in my information here. And I'll go to the next tab, which will be the delivery and payment. Now on this tab, your customers will need to select a shipping option, or rather a shipping method, and it's commonly referred to as ShipVias if you're connected to an ERP. So here you can see it says select a shipping option, but there's nothing displayed here because we haven't actually configured any shipping methods yet for the user to select here on the checkout. So what we'll do is we'll go to the operations portal. I have already signed in to the Commerce demo site operations portal here. As you can see, I'm logged in and I'm on the home page. To set up our shipping methods, we'll want to go to orders and then shipping methods. And as you can see, we have no shipping methods configured here yet. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to add the shipping methods we'd like to appear on the checkout. And these, if you're connected to an ERP, these should correspond to the ShipVias you have set up in your ERP, so that when a user does place an order through the checkout and Codeiros inserts the order into your ERP, will send the ShipVia on the order that the user selected on checkout. So I have two ShipVias set up in my ERP. One is basically customer pickup, and the other one is delivery. So I'm going to add our pickup one here first. The ShipVia code in my ERP is CPU. And then for the name, we'll put the name of the shipping method as we want it to appear here on the checkout. So I'm going to just enter pickup, and method type. You can put whatever you want here to designate the method type. I'm just going to designate this one as a pickup method type because that's the type of shipping method it is. And we do want it to be active on the checkout, so we're going to go ahead and set this as active. And we're going to hit enter to add our shipping method. We did not set a shipping charge, so if you are going to charge shipping based on what shipping method the user selects, you would fill that in this column under base. So that's going to be your base shipping charge. For pickup, we don't charge customers anything, so it'll be $0, which would be free. For the next one, we're going to enter our delivery shipping method. So it'll be DEL, and for the pretty name on the checkout, we'll call it delivery. Again, this is a delivery shipping method, and you can set this column to anything you want. I'm just going to designate this shipping method as a delivery one, and we're going to choose yes, enter. Now we do charge for this shipping method, and the base charge is $16. So my customers, when they check out and if they select delivery as their shipping method, they will get charged $16. And the last configuration option that we have to do before we go and test this out on the cart is we'll go to settings. And Codeiros offers many different ways for displaying and configuring shipping methods on the checkout. And for this particular way of configuring shipping methods, we'll want to set our shipping engine to rate tables, and this means that the system will use the shipping methods that we just set up here on this screen. There's many other different shipping engines as well, but the one we're working with today is rate tables. So if it's not set to rate tables, all you have to do is go into the details and set the value to rate tables here, and then choose save. All right, so to recap, we've set our shipping engine to rate tables, and we've configured our 2 shipping methods. You can have as many as you like, but I only have 2 for today. And then if we swap back over to what the customer sees and we refresh our cart, let's go through to check it out again. All my information is populated. If I go to the delivery tab, you'll now see that I have 2 shipping methods, the ones that we set up. Pickup is free, there's no charge associated with it, and delivery is going to cost $16. So if we select pickup, you can see we did not get charged any shipping, but if we select delivery, you'll see we're now charged $16. So that covers how you can configure your shipping methods. You can also configure basically minimum order. So what if I didn't want to charge my customers $16 if they order over $100 worth of items? So for any order from $1 to $100, you would get charged $16. But if you order, let's say, $200 worth of items, you wouldn't get charged any shipping charge for choosing delivery. What you can do is select the shipping method that you want to set up the minimum order for. So in my case, it'll be delivery. And then go to rates. And here you can set up your basically a list of rates that apply to different order subtotals. So for example, I'm going to charge $16 for any order between 0 and 100. I got my numbers backwards because the ceiling is going to be the $100 and the floor is the lowest amount. So, and then we also want it active. So if we go ahead and add that, we can see this shipping rate will apply for any orders between 0 and $100. So the amount they'll get charged is $16. And now for any order $100 and above will be $0. So we got, for the ceiling, we put a really big number. And then for our floor, we'll put 100. So that means if the customer orders between $100 and this huge number, they'll get free shipping. So we can test that out. If we go back over here, as you can see, I'm ordering, my order subtotal is $72.26. And if we refresh just to make sure we get our latest shipping method changes that we made in the operations portal, let's head back over to the payment tab and let's reselect delivery. As you can see, it's still charging me $16 because I'm only ordering $72 in my cart. But if I go and add another item to make it more than $100, let's try to find a really expensive item, or we can actually just order a really high amount of this one. Let's order 100. If we go back to our cart, we can see that we're now ordering over $100 worth of items. So our delivery now has no charge associated with it. So if we flip back over to the demo site here, you can have as many rates as you would like. So you can apply different amounts for different ranges of order subtotals. And again, you can have as many shipping methods as you like as well to match what ShipVias you have in your ERP. Right, I think that about covers it.